wings. My pair of wings were kept in a box, a gift from my mother on my birth. I thought I would open it today. As I was opening, a mouse flew through the window towards sky. The wings on his back is mine, a thief. The mouse is a thief who steals wings. I wore his legs, thought, this is teeth for teeth. But stealing is a sin, my mother told me. Why did he steal my both wings? I don't know why I wanted to sing a song. But I don't know singing. I started to sing loudly. Actually, I wanted to shout. If sees, other will call me a lunatic. Don't know. I wanted to dance, and I started to dance with the legs of mouse. But I didn't know dancing. I wanted to fly and dance. Once jumping in climax, I came out of the window. I could have died by falling from fourth floor. I didn't think. What is this? I'm now able to fly without wings. Gradually I am flying high and high and high. Wow! The sky is so beautiful. This cloud, at bottom hill, an ocean and a river, close to my heart the Bollywood Brahmaputra, and my lovely tiny village, that banyan tree, and Nahar, Krishna Chura, Kodam, olive, Khorikajai, birds and butterfly, the colorful jumping fishes. Mother sweeping the courtyard, father harvesting, mother kitchen garden, and yellowing mango tree, that sally tree, along with mother's tulsi tree. This is power of poetry that carries us from where to where. The mouse ran away. I could have killed it, throwing a knife. He torn the shirt that you gifted me. I felt pity, neither killed nor chased. Who knows? Due to him, a pair of wings may be born on my back.